This one is a 1951 Royal Quiet Deluxe. Show you how to use the functions and make sure they work properly. Start with the tab function. The tab button is in the front, but the adjustments are in the back. As you can see back here, these little buttons move and you can adjust them. And when you hit the tab, it stops on those buttons. Works good. Show it in the front. There it is. Left carriage release and the right carriage release work good. Backspace works good. This one has a magic margin, which is the button on the left, but it moves this, as you can see. Works good. It'll put it wherever you want, wherever you are on the platen, and you can adjust it to by holding the carriage release and the button at the same time, and it kind of follows you around like that. Put it right there. Put it right there. The right side, the same thing. Bell works good. Once you release it, it stops, and you can just hit it wherever you are on the platen. Let's put it right there, and you can move it with your finger too. What else? Backspace works good. Line space 1, line space 2, line space 3 all work good. The interior has touch control and a ribbon direction changer. Right now we have it on the right side, so it pulls to the right. You could switch it to the left and it'll pull to the left. As you can see, it's pulling to the left. When you switch it to the right, it's pulling to the right. Get to the end of the margin. Margin release works good. All right, let's type. All the keys work without sticking, and they all print good. Let's go with red and type a sentence. Works good. Everything works perfect. Get a close up.